guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're installing BC Racing Coilovers on the Honda Civic, guys. We're doing a major upgrade. What we have on there now, we have the Rev 9 Coilovers, but it's time for a great change, guys. I have done my time with the low budget coilovers, guys. Now it's time to do a huge major upgrade, guys, because I want this car to be the best, and suspension wise, driving wise, all that, guys. So you gotta upgrade your system. So yes, guys, today we're starting a BC Racing Coilover, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button below, guys. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, guys. Also hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates, guys. And yes, I'm so ready to install these coilovers, guys. Heard great reviews by BC Racing Coilovers, guys. And now we're gonna find out ourselves. So let's get started and let's go. Oh my God. Tie rods. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Are y'all seeing this right now? Are you seeing this? Everything laid out right here. I'm going to speed this process up. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison, the Rev 9 versus the BC Racing Coilovers. I have installed suspension a lot on this channel, and I want to speed this process up with you guys today because I really want to test these out and see what the big difference is from a low budgeting coilover to a high budgeting coilover. So yes, guys, so I'm about to do a speed run right quick, take the old ones off, then we'll put the new ones on. All right, so let's go. Before we put the BC Racing Coilovers in, I want to do a quick comparison with the Rev 9. Quality rise, if it shows good up on camera, you can just see up top right here and right here, like a low budget coilover versus a high quality end coilover. This is what I need right now, because if I'm going to do what I want to do to this car, I need the best suspension on the road.
Brian Little.
Japan. Everything is completely done. Everything's in there tight. Nothing's loose at all. So we're about to get started on the next side. Then we're gonna drop it and see how low the front is. All right, so the front is now taken care of. I got one finger. That's where I was at before, guys. Now we're about to get done. We're about to do the rears right quick. So the rear is off. Now I'm about to get the BC Coilovers rears and install them. Hopefully I won't have to do any adjusting. I'm just gonna eyeball it from here. It looks like they're almost identical. So that's telling me I'm not gonna really do adjusting on this. If I gotta go back and do something, I will change it, but if not, I'm not gonna touch it at all right now. So we're just gonna wing it, hey guys, because we're losing sunlight. So yes, so we're gonna about to install this one right here. Just do a little side to side comparison right quick, like I always like to do. Got new hotness, and we got old and busted.
Brian Little.
Alright, so it's currently a couple of days later, guys, and we're done installing the BC Racing Coilovers, guys. Now, I have installed coilovers in the past, and let me tell you, these coilovers right here was pretty easy to install, even though I messed up on the rear a couple times. I had my dad come out there and help me. I was just like so tired, but we're done installing these coilovers. I did a test drive with these coilovers. This pretty smooth. I don't have no bouncing issues, no I don't know, any weird noises, guys. These are really great quality coilovers, guys. I've been looking at these coilovers for quite some time now, ever since last year. But yes, guys, I haven't really changed the rider height that much. Only thing I changed, really I didn't really change nothing. I just stuck to the rear rider height quality they gave me out the box. I don't have any rubbing issues in the back. I can really raise it up a little bit. I might do that later on in the future, but right now I'm okay. As long as nobody rides with me in the back, then I'm really gonna be rubbing really hard. But I'm gonna get out the car and show you guys the ride height is at this current moment. Let's go. All right, so this is my current ride height at the moment, guys. Just like before, nothing really changed. All thing changed a little bit is in the rear. I'm a little bit lower than I was last time, but I can do it. I don't have any rubbing issues at the current moment, guys. But woo, yeah. So let you guys know, these coilovers going to be on here for a while. I don't plan on buying any more coilovers for this car. Next suspension I'm going to buy is strictly bass if I got to buy anything. But yes, the rider height is sweet at this current moment. All right, so this is where I'm gonna end the video at today, guys. If you love this BC Racing Coilover install, make sure you hit the like button below. Also hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my videos and you get more update, guys. I'm out of here for the day, guys. If you're new to this channel, go back and watch some of my previous videos about the Honda Civic, guys. But I'm out of here for the day, and you know the saying, legit is out.